Over 60? Drink these 3 teas to rebuild muscle and walk strong again. Have your legs felt weaker lately? Maybe you get tired halfway through your daily walk or feel unsteady getting out of a chair. It's frustrating, but here's the truth most people don't hear enough. It's not just aging. It's also inflammation, poor circulation, stress, and muscle fatigue, factors that can be supported naturally. And today, we're talking about 3 simple teas, yes, teas, that have been shown to help older adults rebuild leg strength, restore balance, and feel more energized, all without pills or painful routines. These teas are backed by research, loved by wellness experts, and easy to make at home. So grab your mug, and let's get into it. Tea number 1, ginger turmeric tea, the anti-inflammation powerhouse. This warm, comforting drink has been used for centuries, and it's still making waves for good reason. Here's why it's a game changer for your legs. Turmeric contains curcumin, a natural compound shown to reduce joint pain, muscle soreness, and inflammation. Ginger improves blood circulation and helps muscles recover faster from everyday strain. So if you feel sore after short walks, stiff in the knees or ankles, this tea can help address the root cause, inflammation, and poor circulation. Plus, ginger naturally supports metabolism, which can give you a gentle energy lift during the day. How to make it? Add a few slices of fresh ginger, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric or fresh root. Steep in hot water for 10 minutes. Add a pinch of black pepper to boost curcumin absorption. Optional, squeeze of lemon or teaspoon of honey. Drink it daily, preferably in the morning, and within a few weeks, many people report feeling lighter on their feet and more energized. Tea number 2, ginseng green tea, the endurance enhancer. If your legs feel like they give out midday, or if you just feel like your energy crashes by lunchtime, this is for you. Ginseng is known for its adaptogenic effects, helping your body handle stress and fatigue more efficiently. It's also been shown to improve muscle endurance, support oxygen flow to muscles, increase stamina. Now pair that with green tea, rich in antioxidants that fight cell damage in muscles and joints. And you've got a powerful, balanced energy boost that supports both your body and mind. Green tea contains L-theanine, an amino acid that provides a calm focus, unlike caffeine spikes from coffee. Ginseng, meanwhile, helps muscles use oxygen better, which means more stamina with less tiredness after movement. How to prepare? Steep green tea for 2 to 3 minutes in hot, not boiling water. Add a few slices of ginseng root or a 1/4 teaspoon of dried ginseng powder. Steep another 5 minutes. Sweeten lightly if desired. Drink it in the early part of your day for best results. Over time, you may notice longer walks feel easier and you're less wiped out after daily tasks. Tea number 3, ashwagandha root tea, the calm strength builder. Ashwagandha is a hidden gem for anyone over 60 dealing with weakness, stress, or sleep issues. It's another adaptogen, meaning it helps your body return to balance, and balance is everything, physically and mentally. What does ashwagandha do for your legs? Helps regulate cortisol, stress hormone that weakens muscle tone. Supports sleep, which is when your muscles repair and grow. Improves neuromuscular coordination, so your legs feel more stable and in control. Imagine waking up, stretching your legs, and they actually feel ready to move. That's what many people experience with this calming tea. How to make it? Simmer 1 teaspoon of dried ashwagandha root for 10 to 15 minutes, strain. Add honey, cinnamon, or nutmeg to taste. You can enjoy this tea at night for deeper rest, or in the morning for steady, all-day calm energy. The circulation booster you've never heard of. Here's a bonus you don't want to miss. Go-to Cola. It's a lesser-known herb used in traditional medicine to improve circulation, reduce leg swelling, and support nerve health. Adding Go-to Cola tea once or twice a week can amplify the benefits of the other teas, especially if you experience tingling, numbness, or sluggish legs. Look for it in natural food stores or online, or blend it into one of the other teas for added support. Let's recap. Ginger turmeric tea for pain relief, circulation, and gentle energy. Ginseng green tea for stamina, endurance, and motivation. Ashwagandha tea for stress relief, balance, and muscle restoration. Go-to Cola for circulation and nerve support. These teas aren't just warm and soothing. They're tools for building strength, steadiness, and energy as you age. But remember, the real magic is consistency. 1 cup a day combined with light movement and a positive mindset can create real, lasting changes. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It tells YouTube this content matters. And don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a new video designed just for you. And tell me in the comments, which tea are you going to try first? Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay strong and keep moving.